This is how to make a shake transition in Premiere Pro. So first, go to the project panel and click on new item and select adjustment layer. Now drag the adjustment layer above both clips in the timeline and make it around 2 seconds long. Now to create a shake, go to effects and search transform and apply the effect to the adjustment layer. Now in effects and tools, make sure that you're at the start of the clip, and under transform, click on the stopwatch next to position and scale. Now align the playhead with the cut and then increase the scale value to around 120. Now move back 3 frames by pressing the left arrow key and then change the position of the video to the bottom left edge. But make sure you don't move it too far so you see the black background. Then move back 3 frames again, then move the video up and sideways a bit. Now align the playhead with the cut again, but this time move forward 3 frames by pressing the right arrow key. And then move the video to the top right and then move forward 3 frames again and move the video down and sideways a bit, or however you like. Now for the last bit, move to the end of the adjustment layer and then reset the values by clicking on this reset icon next to position and scale. And the transition looks like this. Now if you want to introduce motion blur, then you simply need to increase the shadow angle to around 360, and it looks way better now. And because we use the transform effect, we can make a preset out of it. So right click on the transform effect and click on save preset, and then you can name it to whatever you want and click on OK. And you can now find this preset in effects and you can use it for future projects. To learn more about Premiere, click on the video on screen right now. Now see you there.